Percy Bysshe Shelley, a renowned Romantic poet, composed The Cloud as part of his exploration of nature's sublime and dynamic forces. Published in 1820 as part of his collection Prometheus Unbound, this poem exemplifies the Romantic ideal of celebrating nature's power and interconnectedness. Shelley personifies the cloud as a free, transformative and ever-present force in nature, showcasing his mastery of lyrical poetry and symbolism. The poem is written in 6 stanzas of varying lengths, employing a fluid and rhythmic structure that mirrors the cloud's ever-changing form. Shelley uses irregular rhyme schemes and flowing meter to evoke the ethereal and dynamic qualities of the cloud. The frequent use of enjambment contributes to the poem's seamless and continuous movement. Personification of the cloud. The cloud is presented as a conscious, active entity, a recurring figure in nature that performs essential roles like nourishing the earth and replenishing the sky. Through vivid imagery and personification, Shelley breathes life into this natural phenomenon, making it a symbol of freedom, resilience, and immortality. The cycle of life and renewal. A central theme in the cloud is the cyclical nature of life. The cloud undergoes various transformations, rising as vapor, condensing into rain, and disappearing back into the sky. This process mirrors the perpetual cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, reflecting Shelley's interest in nature's regenerative power. Interconnectedness of nature. Shelley emphasizes how all elements of nature, clouds, rain, rivers, sunlight, and life on earth, are interconnected. The cloud interacts harmoniously with the sun, moon, earth, and sky, reinforcing the Romantic belief in the unity and interconnectedness of the natural world. Immortality and transience. While the cloud appears transient and ever-changing, it is also eternal, as it constantly regenerates. This duality reflects the Romantic fascination with the tension between the ephemeral and the everlasting in nature. The poem begins with the cloud introducing itself as a life-giving force. It describes its role in bringing rain, which revives the parched earth and sustains vegetation. The cloud claims credit for creating shade, forming dew, and orchestrating the weather. Shelley uses vivid imagery, such as shaking the thunders, to highlight the cloud's immense power. Key lines and analysis. I bring fresh showers for the thirsting flowers from the seas and the streams. Here the cloud is depicted as a nurturing entity that sustains life on earth. The use of alliteration and personification creates a lyrical quality. The cloud speaks of its playful interactions with the sun and the moon. It describes how it veils the sun during the day and adorns the night sky with rainbows. The stanza emphasizes the cloud's role in creating atmospheric beauty. Key lines and analysis. I silently laugh at my own cenotaph, and out of the caverns of rain. This passage reflects the cloud's eternal nature, as it laughs at the temporary forms it assumes. The term cenotaph, a monument to someone not physically present, symbolizes the cloud's fleeting yet enduring essence. The cloud describes its relationship with the storm, portraying itself as both a calm nurturer and a powerful force of destruction. This duality reinforces the Romantic theme of nature's unpredictability. Key lines and analysis. I wield the flail of the lashing hail and whiten the green plains under. The image of the cloud wielding hail like a flail evokes its ferocity, showcasing the destructive aspect of nature's power. The cloud shifts focus to its interactions with the stars and the moon. It describes how it reflects celestial light and contributes to the grandeur of the night sky. This stanza highlights the cloud's connection to the cosmos. Key lines and analysis. I am the daughter of earth and water, and the nursling of the sky. This metaphor illustrates the cloud's origin from earthly and heavenly elements, underscoring its role as a bridge between different realms of nature. The cloud celebrates its freedom and immortality, emphasizing its ability to transform endlessly without losing its essence. It declares its resilience in the face of death, symbolized by lightning and storms. Key lines and analysis. For after the rain, when with never a stain, the pavilion of heaven is bare. The image of a pavilion of heaven evokes a celestial realm, while the absence of a stain highlights the purity of nature after a storm. The poem concludes with a triumphant declaration of the cloud's eternal cycle. It dissolves into the ether, ready to reform and continue its journey. Shelley leaves the reader with a sense of awe at the cloud's vitality and permanence. Key lines and analysis. I silently laugh at my own cenotaph, and I am the pilot of the storm. The repetition of laugh at my own cenotaph reinforces the theme of immortality, as the cloud transcends physical forms to remain ever present. Water cycle imagery. The cloud embodies various stages of the water cycle, symbolizing the interconnectedness of natural processes. Light and darkness, the interplay of sunlight, moonlight and storms, reflects the duality of creation and destruction. Cosmic connection. By linking the cloud to the heavens, Shelley elevates it as a universal force. The Cloud by Percy Bysshe. Shelley is a lyrical masterpiece that blends science, mythology and romantic ideals. Through vivid imagery, personification and a profound understanding of natural processes, Shelley transforms the cloud into a symbol of life, transformation and eternity. The poem not only celebrates nature's beauty and power, but also invites readers to marvel at the intricate harmony of the natural world.